Hey guys, it's Brittany, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this beautiful fall inspired hair color. If you are interested, please stay tuned. Alright, so today's video is brought to you by Juvia or Julia Hair. They sent this kinky straight texture wig for me to showcase to you guys. So I already bleached the knots off camera, as well as bleached the wig once already. I'm going to be showing you guys how I bleach it the second time. Alright, so this is what the color looks like after just one bleaching. And I did run out of bleach, but I went today to get some more. So I'm gonna bleach this a second time. If you wanted a nice brown kind of ombre look, did one bleaching and it looks like this, and it's very beautiful actually. But I'm gonna go ahead and bleach it one more time and then put the orange color on top. So here is the mixture here. I mixed like a scoop and a half of the Quick Blue powder bleach. And I have some of the Salon Care 40 volume developer. This is the only developer I have right now, so this is the one that I use. So I'm just gonna go section by section and put more bleach on the hair. I'm not gonna go all the way up to the root because I do want at least like an inch of root to show. So I'm gonna put the bleach all over the head, and I'll be back when I have all the bleach on the hair. All right, so here is the hair coated in another layer of bleach, and it's already started to turn. So I'm gonna wrap this up in aluminum foil for about 30 minutes and then wash it out. I actually like the color that it's turning right now. Once I wash it out and stuff, I'll decide if I want to make it orange or keep it this highlighted like blonde color. All right, to achieve this color, I use the Adore dyes. I use Orange Blaze and Cajun Spice. I didn't want it to be like super bright orange, but I didn't want it to be like too subtle of a copper color, so I mixed the two together. If you want yours to be more of a brighter orange but still more subtle, add more Orange Blaze than you would Cajun Spice. So I just kind of put half and half of each in my mixing bowl, and then I use my 40 volume developer to in the mixture as well. Now I was doing like a little bit of color at a time because I didn't want to be wasteful, but this wig is 24 inches long, so I had to keep mixing up another batch of dye. So I would probably fill up your bowl probably about halfway instead of the amount that I had originally. So that's what I did. I mixed up the color and then I poured it on the hair and just kind of massaged it all the way through and just coated everything except for the root area. So after I applied the dye to the wig, I let it process in aluminum foil for 2 hours or so, and then I washed it out. And then I let it air dry outside overnight, and this is what the color turned out like. All right, so I'm just gonna be just quickly applying this wig. It's not gonna be like an in-depth styling part of the video because the video is mainly about this beautiful hair color. So just stay tuned and to hear my thoughts about the wig in general. Hey guys, so I'm back and I have showed you guys how I achieved this fall inspired copper look. Kinky straight textures are my favorite textures. Usually every kinky straight wig that I get from companies, I usually never sell them because I love them so much. I have never dyed any of my kinky straight textured wigs with an actual color. I have added like brown highlights and stuff like that, but I've never put full on color on my kinky textured wig, so I wanted to do that with this one. It's like how it turned out. I'm gonna do an update for you guys. So in that video, I'm probably gonna like straighten it all the way and just wear it straight. I'm coming to you guys with the curls this time. So as far as like the styling, all I did was to remove some of the texture, I used a hot comb to take some of those crinkles out. Then I used a flat iron and then I curled it with a curl wand. I pin curled it because I wasn't gonna put it on like right away. I have gotten a little bit of shedding with this wig, but nothing serious. I did just cut the lace off, so I'm thinking that's where it came from. And I did cut some lace from around my ear. And as far as the application goes, I did not do like full on got to be glued all around my hairline and all that stuff. I sewed elastic into the cap for a really nice fit and so that I could bypass doing all that application stuff. I do have a little bit of got to be glued with the baby hair right here and a little bit on the lace just at the front around the parting space, but that's about it. I think this wig is absolutely gorgeous. I got 24 inches, I believe, or I'll like correct myself if I'm wrong, but this is definitely meant for fall, winter, because I went outside to take pictures for you guys and I don't even sweat in my head, but my forehead and everything started to sweat. This is a very like hot wig, and y'all know what I'm talking about when I say hot wig. So this is not for summer because you're gonna get burned up, but it's so pretty. I would probably still wear it during the summer anyway. Not gotten any tangling yet. My hands glide right through it. The con I have about this wig is I wish it was like a 360 kind of frontal wig, because you do get a little bit of lace in the back, but the amount of lace you get up here is it's like a small amount. The most that you get is about maybe 2.5 inches, and that's just not enough for me, but the wig still looks natural even though there's not that much lace. So I did bleach the knots and everything off camera, but I told you guys I'm gonna do a standalone video for you guys. It's very easy to bleach your knots, and that does make all the difference when you're trying to make your wigs look natural. In my opinion, I think that's like one of the top things to make your lace kind of melt into your scalp and everything. I think that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this dyeing tutorial. You guys enjoyed the last one I did when I did like that kind of cinnamon color on my curly wig, and now I'm coming to you guys with more copper color. I really do enjoy dyeing and customizing my wig, so I'm gonna have some more dyeing tutorials for you guys. Leave some suggestions down below, the different colors that you would like to see, and I want to thank Juvia for sending me this wig to review for you guys, and I want to thank you guys for supporting my channel. If there's anything I left out that you want to know, just list it below and I'll get back to you. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notification. That's really important. That way you guys know every time that I do another upload. I do plan on doing a wig sale soon. Follow me on Instagram at iFancyCupcakes. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. Share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.